Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to improve your debate skills using Meta AI? You don't need a special feature. You can do it just by typing a simple prompt. This is useful if you want to think faster, build stronger arguments, and respond more confidently. For example, you may not know how to argue a topic clearly or respond to different opinions. Meta AI can help you practice like a real debate partner. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In the chat box, type a prompt like "Improve my debate skill" or "Help me practice debating." You can also add a topic, for example, "Let's debate, is social media good or bad?" Then send your message. Meta AI will respond with arguments, questions, or even challenge your opinion. You can continue the conversation and practice your responses. This helps you think more clearly and improve your communication skills. And that's how to improve your debate skills using Meta AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.